To find the area of a two-dimensional shape, we're going to need to know, or at least be familiar with, something called square units. Because area is how many square units can fit inside a figure. So the area is inside a figure. And since square units has the word square in it, let's look at squares first. If I have a square with 5 inches in side length, how many square inches can I fit in there? So how many squares can I fit? And these are not to scale, but I can do 5 to the side, 5 down. So if I continue to draw these, I would be able to draw 25 total squares. And the way I know that is I'm just going to multiply this side times this side. 5 squared. So we'd say the area is 5 inches squared. Now when we're dealing with area, the units always have to be squared, regardless of the shape. So let's look at a rectangle. So a rectangle has 2 different lengths, one for the length, one for the width. The theory still holds. If we multiply the length and the width, we'll get the area. That'll tell us how many square units can go inside that shape. So we'll multiply 2 and 3. Area is going to be 6 inches squared. The triangle is a little bit different. So if I have this triangle and I duplicate it, I can make a rectangle. Well, we know the area for a rectangle, so I'm going to say area subscript rectangle, is length times width. And let me do a dot. Length times width. If I cut that in half, that'll give me the area of a triangle. We don't describe triangles by their length and width, we describe them by their base and height. So we could say base and height divided by 2 is going to give me the area of a triangle. Another way to write it is half the base times height. So let's use this formula and put some numbers in it. So if I have a triangle with a base of, say, 3 inches and a height of 4 inches, the area is going to be half the base times height. So half of 3 times 4, or half of 6, which is, oops, I already did the answer. Half of 12, which is 6. So we'd say the area is 6 inches squared.